Hello brothers.
Welcome back to Nam's channel video. Today I will guide you all the ways you can be MASS farming deployment. Large number of TikTok accounts. It's completely automatic, guys. I'm going to use a tool called MKT Tick Pro. Here the tool will help you. It can be the unlimited management of that TikTok account. I have already added a leader of TikTok account here. Come into support is to implement tutorials and demos for you. Then after you add the TikTok accounts, you can go to the interaction script. Here you will add your own scripts to feed Nick. So the scenarios here are interactive actions, just like the real user. It's the same as if you're using TikTok. It's like watching this video, like following that video. Outside there are a few other features to support your pet. That account is like posting this automated video. Post a video comment. Automatic video upload. Then it will support you. Deploy feed account, it's healthier. Increase the reliability of the account with the platform. It's here after you add Let Me Be, the script that raised Nick. You will choose for yourself all of the accounts. That's yours. Here I will set up a 9-track. That means 9 million, 9 running accounts. At the same time, after you choose, once your account is complete, you will click the start button. And you can see its software. I will open all your accounts, and each account will correspond to a general tab. My own software has been set up. Chrome Core Width. The anti-detect browser should be completely clean Chrome and clean device. It supports you to raise Nick extremely effectively. Let's see if the software will work. How to interact with Nick. If you want to advertise, raising a TikTok account. Yes, and implement advertising on the TikTok platform. You are interested in software. You can contact me directly Telegram or WhatsApp. Put it below the description. Thank you and see you in the videos.